Hello guys and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we will talk about a special topic. So today we make Amazon affiliate marketing easy and just fun. Today, we are talking about something special, the top 5 niches on Amazon that can supercharge your affiliate success, that can boost your business. So, now you may be wondering why I have to choose a niche. Why can't I just start working, just see the winning product on Amazon affiliate, and uh, just copy the link of the product and post the link and start promoting any product I want? But you need to know, if you are going to create a website, you want to boost your business, you want to create a specific market for something, you have to choose a niche, especially if you are a beginner. So for example, if I create an in this, you can apply this on all the domains. For example, if you are a dropshipper beginner, you have to choose a niche. If you are a UGC creator, you have to choose a niche. For example, I can just film a lifestyle, then I will film. I'm interested in gym. Then I will film. I'm interested in travel. Then I will film that I'm interested in skincare and makeup. And then I will. No, you have to choose a niche to focus on, and that's why, because you have to focus on that niche, and it will take you some time as a beginner, because if you choose a niche, you have to stay updated with that niche, you have to see what's new on that niche. So if you are going just to choose whatever product it is, you have a lot of works, and you are just a beginner, you have to start step by step. Now what I will tell you is, you may be wondering, these are the hotspots, the areas where people are always looking for great products, those niches that I will tell you. Whatever you are a pro or just starting, these niches offers ton of opportunities. So stick around till the end of the video. I will break down some secrets. I will show you some quick steps, how to start till how to post the video and post the link. So those 5 niches. Now, let's talk about those 5 niches. You have 5 niches that every year, whatever they change the order of these niches, they stay on the top 10. You have the first one, technology. Why? So, technology, always you're gonna find it on the first one. Why? Because also the commissions of, when you go with technology product, you will find out that commissions of technology products are highest than any commissions of any other product. Also, the other niches, the other 4 niches that you can work on if you want to, you have health and wellness. You have home and kitchen products. Like you see here, I choose home and kitchen products. You have beauty, personal care, and also you have fitness. Now, you can choose between those 5 niches if you want to. What you need to do now is stop the video, go and stop searching for those niches step by step. What you will do is search affiliate marketing niches, successful niches by the year, and then you will go to TikTok, search for winning product. You will find out that winning products are always on those 5 niches. Not always, but you will find out that every time you will find out that those 5 niches there are always at the top. Also, you will go to TikTok, click TikTok made me buy it. You will find out that videos that has a lot of views has those niches. Also, once you click on home products, technology products, you will find that the views of those videos and people who asking about those products are a lot. So what you will do now is you go and do your research. Now, you choose the niche. What you will do is you will find out the winning product on that niche. This is also so important niche, a so important step, sorry. You choose the niche. Now, how to find the winning product? You will go to TikTok and you will click on, for example, home product. You will search for home product. And then you will find that, for example, I choose home product niche. or technology niche, I will click on technology niche. They will give me a lot of products on that niche, and they will give me a lot of viral videos. They will give me videos that has more than one product. I will go to the comments. I will choose the video that has a lot of views, a lot of comments, engaging comments, and I will check the comments. If they are already interested in that product, I will see what product that has a lot of interest. I will choose that product to start with. So after all these researches, now go into Amazon and search for the products. Now I will show you a thing. Now I want this washing machine. Let's see here. Let's find out where is the washing machine. This is the one, for example. Copy the link. Just click on TikTok made me buy it. Once you copy the link of the video on TikTok, so like you see here, I did some examples before. I will click on past and I will download the video now. Downloading the video, and now I will go to Amazon, search for that product, click here on this search bar, on this bar, sorry, and copy the link. You will find here the full link and you will find here the short link. I will copy here and I will come to my Pinterest. Now, I will come here. I will search on the one for the one that I just downloaded. So this is the video. Now I will come here. Sorry for that. I will come here and I will pass the link. Now I will go to the title. I will go to Amazon. I will take the title. But you need to know that you can take all the title because Pinterest don't allow you. I will just take as this much, copy, come to Pinterest, come to title. Here we go. Now going back to ChatGPT for a description, and I will take this as my description. So everything is so easy these days. Now I click on here, click on copy or paste. Now come here, you can fix all this and now publish. And here you go. So now if people see your videos, your pictures that you edit, because you can go to Pinterest and search for the same product. Take those high quality pictures from Pinterest, go to Canva and do some design, post them on Pinterest. It's so easy. Also, don't post just copy and paste. You have to do some designs on the videos. For example, like I said, you have to go with the trends. You have to post those videos and change always the song to trending song, trending product, and trends. You have to follow the trends and stay always updated with the niche you choose because always there is a new things. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video.